Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kawati. I'm from class B, Prodi English Department. In this time, I wanna make resume material about linguistics. So, what is the linguistic? Linguistic is the scientific study of language. And what is the language? Language, as a language, a language is a structured system of communication by humans. Based on speech and gesture, spoken language, or often writing. The traditional areas of linguistic analysis include phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics. What is the phonetics? Phonetics, or Indonesian often called phonetic, is a science that explains how a sound can be produced by humans correctly, while phonology itself is science based on phonetics and studies what a phonetic system is. The two linguistics are also related to catch order. The understanding of the phonetic symbol is more direct to the kinds that discourse how a sound can be formed. In other words, this kind is more direct the parts of the human body that can make a sound of. If we study the phonetics of symbol in English, it will be related to IPA, or the International Phonetics Alphabet. IPA is a symbol system that we can use in pronunciation words in any language. And the material tree is a phonology. So what is the phonology? Phonology is the study of the sound system of language. Phonology is the aspect of language related to the distinctive features of the representation and reception of sound of language. Phonology is the study of the many sounds function in language, including phonemes, syllables, structure, stress, accent, intonation, and which sound distinct units within a language. Phonology, the study of the sound patterns and language, can be derived in two parts: phoneme, vowels and consonant, and prosody, stress, rhythm, and intonation. Material, the third, morphology. So what is the morphology? Morphology words morpheme is morphology is from Greek morph, that has meaning forms. If means the morph is kind is therefore the focus on language and how that language special word format. Morphology is therefore the study of the shapes word tag. Words morphemes are those building blocks which serve words building unit or form the bare meaning or have a grammatical function. Kinds of morpheme: a form is free morphemes and free morphemes, bond morphemes. So what is the free morphemes? Free morphemes are those that can stand alone as word. Morpheme is free if it is able to appear as word by itself, and bond morpheme can occur only in combination. They are part of a word. Bond morphemes are divided into two, namely the infleksi and derivation, inflectional morphemes and derivational morphemes. So what is the inflectional morphemes? Inflectional morphemes, on the other hand, do not change meaning or parts of speech, but instead simply make minor grammatical changes necessary for agreement with other words. And derivational morphemes create new words. They derive new words from other words. Derivational change parts of speech or the meaning of word. Maybe enough for my material about linguistics. So thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.